Oh, hey, Doggy. Hope you have a good day. You're very cute. Oh, hey. My name's Mermit, but I'm gonna give you the house tour. Alright, let's do it. So, this is my room. Oh, sorry. Right, it's, oh, wait, it's a little messy, I'm there. Let's just, take care of that problem. Room. Oh, want a gummy bear? You sure? Very tasty. I don't know, I might get me one. I just want some gummy bears. They're very tasty, especially the green and red ones. And, oh, hey, come on, Oreo. Hey, you okay over there? Are you sure? Just memorized over that hourglass. Or not hourglass, but minute glass. Okay, thank you. Okay, stop the camera. Something's bad happening. Alright, this is the kitchen. It's a little messy, but it's a kitchen, so we don't have to do, right? Alright. So, and this is our snack selection. Got a wide variety of chips. We got Ruffles, Cheetos, many more, and Lay's. Also cereal, so if you ever get hungry, just help yourself out. Also got a refrigerator for some drinks. Very tasty drinks in there. Alright. Alright, so, if you ever get bored, we have a wide variety of TV things. Like Netflix, or one of them. Here's an account. Alright, let's get to watching. I'm okay.
Are you okay? Yeah?
Just doing my business.
Okay.
Alright, well, it was fun having you here, friend. Can you, like, not have a seizure, though? Alright, just, well, farewell. Oh, he's gone. Alright, so that was Mermits House Adventures. Hope you guys liked it, and hey, maybe we can have a sleepover. Ooh, sleepover. Sounds nice. Well, I hope you have a great time and a great day, and bye-bye.